Hello and welcome to Rathod Science Academy. And today we are going to discuss very important topic from your physical anthropology, that is what is DNA, what is chromatin, what is chromatid and what is chromosome. So let us have a clear cut idea between what is the difference exactly these terms differ. Okay, so let us get started. Actually in our earlier videos I said about what is difference between this nucleoside, what is this nitrogen base and what is nucleotide. At that time I already gave you an introduction regarding what is this DNA and what is this RNA. So DNA is nothing but deoxyribose nucleic acid, which is a double stranded. So as you all know that we have cell. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of an organism. So in this cell, we have liquid that is called as cytoplasm, and cell is covered by a membrane which is called as plasma membrane, and inside cell we have a nucleus. So in this nucleus, we will be having our genetic material, right? So here, if you take DNA as a genetic material, so in each and every cell, for example, if you are taking a single cell here, so single cell contains single nucleus. In this nucleus we will be having this. So in a single cell, DNA is 6 feet long. DNA is 6 feet long, but cell it is a microscopic level. That means it is a very small in structure. So how this 6 feet long DNA is present in this? That means we will be seeing the different forms of DNA. So based on this, you can see this terminology, that is chromatin, chromatid and chromosome. So if you see, this is DNA, as we know, that is double helical structure. So where we have weak hydrogen bonds which are pairing this nitrogen bases. And chromatin is nothing but it is a thread-like uncoiled DNA. So to place this 6 feet long DNA in a nucleus, it will be coiled, right? Uncoiled DNA is called as chromatin, but coiled, that too very tightly coiled DNA is called as chromatid. So what is the shape of chromatid? It will be like this. It is a shape of 8. Shape of 8, that is very tightly condensed DNA is called as chromatid. But what is this chromosome? When two chromatids, they are joining and they are fixed at this centromere, and this structure is called your chromosome. Okay. For example, if you take the relation between this DNA and chromatid, there is one DNA in one chromatid. That means in chromosomes, how many chromatids are there? So we have two chromatids. That means we have two DNA. We have two DNAs in this chromosome. So if you take cell, if you consider this as a single cell, so how many chromosomes we have? We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. So in this 23 pairs, we can divide into two types, 22 pairs and one pair. Okay, so one pair is nothing but 23rd pair, it is your sex chromosome. Okay, sex chromosome is 23rd pair and remaining 22 are normal pairs. They are called as autosomes and it is called as allosome. Okay, so as I said in our earlier discussion, so one chromosome is having two chromatids. That means one DNA here, one DNA here. That means two DNAs we have in a single chromosomes. So how many pairs? We have 23 pairs. So pair means nothing but 2, right? So total we have 46 chromosomes. Okay, totally we have 46 chromosomes. One chromosome is having 2 DNAs. So 46 chromosomes is having how many DNAs? That is 92 DNAs. So in a single human cell, so how many DNAs we are having? 92 DNAs. So in this way, whenever you are feeling that this physical anthropology, biology part is hard, so if you know from basics, then it will be very easy, because entirely your genetics chapter, that is chapter 9 in your paper 4, is dealing with these chromosomes, is dealing with chromatids. Especially you will be seeing this word chromatid in your yes, especially in your 9th chapter of your genetics, especially chromosomes and chromosomal aberrations, different diseases, types of chromosomal aberrations. It is entirely, it is about your chromatids and chromosomes. So you have to know what exactly the basic difference between these concepts. So if you're from non-science background, like if you're from maths or like arts background also, if you join our course, we will be dealing from the basics onwards. And we are going to start this anthropology batch from this 19th December, and we are providing free demo for first 3 classes. So if you want to attend that first 3 demo classes, you can register, okay, and you can call us on the number which is given on the screen, that is 8074765513, and you can join this free demo class of anthropology from 19th December, 20 and 21st December for free. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this class. If you like this class, please hit the like button, and please to share this class to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Rathod's IAS Academy.